Welcome to a journey of property excellence with Alpine Property Management. In today's presentation, we unveil the power of proactive maintenance and its profound impact on your real estate investments. At Alpine, maintenance isn't just a task, it's a strategic approach. Our proactive maintenance teams regularly inspect properties, identifying issues before they escalate. Our commitment to maintenance translates to one key benefit: enhanced property value. Witness the transformation as we turn aging properties into modern, highly desirable assets. Efficiency and cost-effectiveness are at the heart of our maintenance strategy. Alpine's expert teams work diligently to minimize expenses while maximizing property returns. We stay ahead by integrating market trends and emerging technologies into our maintenance practices. From eco-friendly solutions to smart building technologies, we ensure your properties remain competitive and sustainable. Tenant satisfaction isn't just a goal, it's our mission. We believe that happy tenants make for longer-term, more profitable investments. Our tenant retention rates speak volumes about the quality of life we provide. What sets Alpine apart? It's our commitment to long-term value creation. Our maintenance expertise directly benefits property owners like you. Looking to sell properties? Alpine Property Management's We Buy Houses program offers you a hassle-free solution. We purchase properties in as-is condition, giving you an effortless way to streamline your investment portfolio. As we continue this exploration of Alpine's maintenance expertise, envision a future where properties are transformed into thriving assets. Are you ready to experience stress-free property ownership? Contact Alpine Property Management today, and let's elevate your investments together. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more expert insights. The path to elevated property value and tenant satisfaction starts with Alpine Property Management. Effective communication between landlords and tenants is crucial. At Alpine Property Management, we've harnessed technology to streamline this process. Sustainability is an integral part of our property management strategy. We're committed to implementing eco-friendly practices that not only benefit the environment but also reduce operational costs, ultimately increasing your ROI. Navigating the complex legal landscape of property management can be challenging. Our in-house legal experts ensure that all necessary legal aspects are meticulously handled, providing you with peace of mind. Stay in control of your investments with our advanced reporting systems. Easily access financial statements, maintenance updates, and more, all in one place. We don't just manage properties, we build communities. Alpine fosters a sense of belonging and community spirit among your tenants, making your properties highly sought after. Our dedicated team of property management professionals has a wealth of experience and a passion for excellence. We're not just managing properties, we're shaping investment success stories. In closing, Alpine Property Management offers you a comprehensive solution for your real estate investments. Ready to unlock the full potential of your real estate investments? Contact Alpine Property Management today. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more expert insights. Your investment journey to stress-free success begins with Alpine Property Management.